Welcome to part 125 of Daily English. Today's topic: small talk, music. Do you like music? Example: do you like music? I listen to it every day. What's your favorite kind of music? Example: what's your favorite kind of music? I like pop music. Example: I like pop music because it's fun. I enjoy listening to jazz. Example: I enjoy listening to jazz in the evening. Who's your favorite singer? Example: who's your favorite singer these days? I love this song. Example: I love this song. It's beautiful. I've heard this song before. Example: I've heard this song before. It's really popular. Can you recommend some music? Example: can you recommend some relaxing music? I'll listen to it later. Example: thanks for the suggestion. I'll listen to it later. Mini conversation. Anna, do you like music? Ben, yes. I like pop music. Anna, who's your favorite singer? Ben, I like many singers. Can you recommend some music? Anna, sure. I'll send you my favorite songs. Daily tip. Music is a great topic for small talk because everyone has different tastes. Asking about favorite songs, singers, or music styles is an easy way to keep a conversation going and learn more about someone. Speaking challenge. Talk about your favorite music. Describe what kind of music you enjoy, who your favorite singer is, when you usually listen to music, and ask another person about their favorite songs. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 126. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.